Hi Divas. Today is the 9th day of December. Thank you for joining me for the opening of these Advent calendars and sharing a little joy with me this holiday season. I thank you for joining me. Don't forget to take a little time for yourself. Take a breath, take a deep breath, enjoy a comforting beverage, and just listen to the laughter of kids, listen to some instrumental holiday music. If you're not sick of it in the stores by now. Do any of us go shopping in stores much anymore? I don't know. But anyway, take some time to play. Take some time to light some lights. Go to one of the light festivals that donates some money to the holidays. Don't forget the charities over the holidays that help those in need, and especially if you're enjoying the light shows or enjoying something with your church, throw in an extra donation for someone who is lonely this year. If you are lonely, don't forget to join us, especially during the holidays on Christmas Eve day, Christmas Day, Boxing Day, from midnight to midnight. 24/7 those 3 days. We are going to be having a round robin of YouTube diamond painting creators who are getting together and sharing their Christmas traditions and holidays with you. You will probably find creators that you've never known about before and find many more that you like. So click like and subscribe on all of them. During those 3 days, the creator of that particular live that you sit in on for the hour will be available in chat to be with you and just take some time and enjoy the day, enjoy the time with you. We don't want anyone to be lonely during the holidays. Okay, so this is Arteza, and I have not taken the time yet to look up what some of these creations are. I don't know. There should be maybe a little explanation with them. Not just the product, there should be a little explanation with them, I would think. It does say on the door, this is glow in the dark powder. So again, I think it's resin to do with the resin. Glow in the dark powder to go with the resin stuff. Again, I do not know how to do resin yet, but I do have some to try. It looks like New Beginnings in January, one of them. When I have time, we'll be working with resin. Okay, so here we go. This is the Daphne's Diary one, and number 9, day 9. As we come closer to the weekend, don't forget to keep breathing. Don't forget to keep breathing. Okay, here is 1, 2, 3, 4 little bullet journals, one for each season. Let me bring you in. This is so cute. Do you know what a bullet journal is? A bullet journal is something that's all dots, and you draw your own little calendar or goodies inside of it. There's one for winter, summer, autumn, and spring. Very cute. 4 little journals. You can use them in conjunction with your junk journals. You can write your shopping lists in them. You can do like tracking, if you're tracking something like your water intake for the day, or I don't know, your weight or something like that. If you're tracking how much money you're spending, keep them in your purse and write that down. If you're just tracking how many people said hello to you today, how many hugs you got for the day, these would be fun to keep track of those. All right, the next box is our diamond painting creations, and number 9. Oh, a big one. A big one. Let me see. What is this? Oop. What is this? Oh, okay. Oh, I know what these are. All right. All right, let me put this away. These are release sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are release sheets. They go down the slick side down in place of the thin plastic that goes over top of your diamond painting. The shiny side goes down toward the glue. You can put stickers on this side to make sure that you are not accidentally putting them on the wrong side down, because they will stick the wrong side down. But for those of you who don't like the plastic sheet on the top, this is a replacement for that. Okay. All right, now we have add more zest from the UK, and I know I'm ripping the bag open here. Ooh. Speaking of adding zest, these are crystals. They're round, and they are, I don't know how many are in here. It looks almost like 1,000. They are like a smoky, they've got like a silver backing, a silverback clear. Very pretty. That will add some zest to a diamond painting that you need to replace. Let me see here. Oh, diamond painting Deutschland. This is a little tin. I have bought these before to keep extra diamond painting wax in so that it doesn't go bad. And guess what's in there? Diamond painting wax. Oh, it's a big chunk. A big chunky boy of purple diamond painting wax. Okay, it is odorless, which is very nice. This is beautiful. I love this tin. Lavender. I have some lavender essential oil, and I'm going to be dropping some essential oil onto this. Wouldn't that be beautiful? So it would smell like lavender every time you open it. Talk about lavender. Don't forget to be kind to yourself during this season. Take a breath. You know, step back a little bit, take a breath, and be kind to yourself during this high season. We know how stressful the season can be, so take care of you too. These are the little goodies we got today in our kit. So thank you for joining me, Divas. Thank you for coming on this journey with me. Do you junk journal? Do you like to journal at all? How are you taking care of yourself this holiday season? What are you doing just for you? Maybe you're taking some time out to diamond paint to your favorite YouTubers. I hope so. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to fill out your membership questionnaire. Email me if you have any questions at wandasworkbasket.com, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, Divas.